Hey guys, welcome to our channel Cool Quiz with Bloopy Bear. World Capitals Quiz. 5 seconds to answer. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Canberra, and Melbourne? So the answer is Canberra.
Next.
What is the capital of Egypt? Alexandria, Luxor, or Cairo? So the answer is Cairo.
Did you get it?
What is the capital of Canada? Toronto, Ottawa, or Vancouver? So the answer is Toronto.
That was fun.
What is the capital of Brazil? Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Brasília. So the answer is Brasilia. What is the capital of Japan? Kyoto, Osaka, or Tokyo? So the answer is Tokyo. What is the capital of South Africa? Johannesburg, Pretoria, or Cape Town? So the answer is Pretoria.
How many did you get?
What is the capital of Argentina? Mendoza, Buenos Aires, or Cape Town? So the answer is Buenos Aires.
Haha, next.
What is the capital of Italy? Rome, Venice, or Milan? So the answer is Rome.
Next one, guys.
What is the capital of Russia? Novosibirsk, St. Petersburg, or Moscow? So the answer is Moscow. What is the capital of France? Marseille, Paris, or Lyon? So the answer is Paris. How many did you get? Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, and thanks for watch.